So, today I want to talk about parrots. These colorful and intelligent birds have always fascinated me. Did you know that parrots are known for their ability to mimic human speech? It's incredible. They can actually learn and repeat words and phrases. But here's the thing, they don't understand what they're saying. It's like they're just imitating us without really knowing the meaning behind the words. Isn't that wild? Parrots are also highly social creatures. They love to interact with their human companions and can form strong bonds with them. It's important to provide them with plenty of mental stimulation and social interaction to keep them happy and healthy. So, if you're thinking of getting a parrot as a pet, make sure you're ready for the commitment. They require a lot of attention and care.